here at Elite Collegiate Apparel to tell you what's brewing at the Chamber this week. This Wednesday morning at 8 a.m. is the State of the County at the Wood County Courthouse. Doors open at 7:30 and refreshments will be provided. On Thursday morning at 8 a.m., Montessori School BG will be hosting our business briefing and brew. Stop by to hear what's happening at Montessori and share what's going on with your business. Investor letters went out last week with your updated 2020 stickers. Also included in your letter was information on our new Investor to Investor or I2I program, and also a sign-up sheet for our various project teams. Please look these papers over and get involved with the many chamber opportunities that we have available. If you don't get this in the mail, that means you still owe your dues, so please get those payments in soon. I also want to give you a save the date for Thursday, April 16th. We're having a business after hours here at the Four Corner Center, and it's going to be a blast. A mega blast with Team Johnson, to be exact. Our investor, Team Johnson out of Delta, is giving away a 4-hour rental on one of their awesome buses, and that's just part of the fun. Stay tuned to hear about this exciting event to raise money for the BG Community Fireworks. Please check out our website and Facebook page for upcoming events. We hope you have a great week, and as always, think BG!